Very good morning, my dear student. So today I'm going to discuss about the communication skill. So in a communication skill where we find that we are going to say something, we are going to talk, and when we are saying something, when we are talking something, we find it that each of this particular case, as we are saying and as we are talking, there are the different type of communication that we can develop. So in my previous video I have said you about the system that you find it that where we have a non-verbal pattern of communication. Now in a non-verbal pattern of communication we are using the different posture and gesture. Using the posture and gesture we are saying this, but here what you see that in this particular thing we are pronouncing some words or language, or that means we are speaking something. Okay, so language that is spoken by us. See here, this particular person, this particular person and this particular person, they are speaking among themselves. That means from here, as the posture of their and as the gesture of their, we can identify that they are both of them are very much angry and they are arguing among themselves, isn't it? So this is the what we can see, that we can understand the words of saying, that what way we can say, that what way we can find it, how we can communicate the sound, what the sound is. So when we talk with the teachers, when we talk with some elder person, our mother and father, so we find it that there are the different tonal quality we do use. Okay, or when we are talking with our friends, there we use a different other tonal quality. With a tonal quality what we use, that means the sound that we are getting, we are speaking in a particular way, the particular form of words, particular matter of words we are talking with. So we find it that we are practicing and we are saying commonly all those words, and those the words what we are talking, what we are speaking, we find them that they are acceptable in a different situation, in different way. Okay, so some of the words that we talk, that we speak, they may be correct, they and we think and we find it that we try to speak the thing correctly. That means the common word what we say, the words should be in a correct way. So to communicate, as well as we, when we find that we need to communicate, we know how we are pronouncing the words. Okay, the pronouncing of the words are should be in a correct form. So how correctly we are pronouncing it, how correctly we are making those words. So those the correction of the words, those the pronunciation that we find will going to help us to express ourselves, and in a clear confidence we are saying those things. That means when we are talking in a particular confidence. Okay, our confidence is very much in about the matter, regarding the matter, and when we are confident about the matter we are saying those words. Clear? So sometimes we find there are some the fake words also been used. We find it someone is telling totally a lie in such a way that they want to give us or try us that particular thing is true, but we can find from the word what they are using, isn't it? We can understand easily that yes, the thing what is been used, what is been said, that particular thing is not okay, that particular thing is not in the proper way, or we are not going to make the thing in this particular manner. Okay, so this is what we can find it, that we are using those facts. Okay, we are using those facts. So as we find it that we are making the particular thing, we are using those particular thing, and we are working on this particular matter, we find it this is the way how we can speak, how we can talk among ourselves. Okay, so speaking properly, if you need to speak properly, what you require, what is your requirement to speak properly, anything that is there you want to speak properly, what we find a common mistake we would do, we all the people who do the common mistake when we are not able to pronounce the word. Okay, we are therefore sometimes we are pronouncing the incorrect word, clearly we are not saying the thing. isn't it? So these are the things. Say the following words aloud, like yours, world, chair, where. Okay, so still try those sound aloud: fall, fail, sail, sail, tail. So we can find it that you notice it that some of the words which are much and more similar to each other, there we are pronouncing them in a different way or in a different manner. So when we are saying those words, when we are finding that each of the different type of spelling that we are pronouncing, we are pronouncing the different pattern of words. So each of these particular words is what they are going to give us a particular formation, particular punctuations that we can use and we can listen from it. Okay, so this is the particular thing, this is the particular part. As we find it, we clearly come to the particular situation. In the situation where we are using them, we are making them in such a way so that we can make the thing very much clear, we can make the thing very much usable, we can make the thing very much understandable. Okay, so different way of pronouncing the words, different way of making the words, those the thing can be understandable by us. That the thing can be understandable by us if we are going to try all these particular different matters. Okay, so when we are pronouncing, when we are speaking some word, we make up the sound, the tonal quality in a different way. Okay, you have seen the theater, you have seen the movies. What do you find in the movies, in the picture, in different theater? Okay, you can see, you notice the thing that how they are modulating their words, how they are modulating their speech, isn't it? So all these things what we found it that they are using, they are pronouncing the words. So that means from here the one word come that is known as phonetics. So phonetics is the study of sound. That when we study the sound, how the sound is going on and how we are speaking, what is the mode of speaking, what is the temperament of the speaking, what is the speech quality, what is the speech rate, isn't it? So all these things what we find it that there we do have all this particular pattern of thing. That means when we study the phonetics, phonetics means we are studying about the different pattern of spoken power of the people. Okay, different people has got a different pattern of spoken power, different types of throwing of their words. So we find it that we do have a different type of words that we are throwing, we can say throwing, or we can say talking, that to the with the other person, we can talking with the other person, we can make it what usable for us, we can make it very much confidence in that particular manner. So this is the way where we find that we are using all of this particular thing. So here you see one thing, I have given one elaborate explanation. So suppose the word dog. Okay, there is a three sound you put, D, O, G. So speak the word aloud. You should shown in Hindi to help you to pronounce. Okay, so in Hindi, da, okar, ga, dog. So this way similarly the cat, this particular word also CAT. So if you pronounce in Hindi ka, ikar, ta, isn't it? So that means what we find we are pronouncing these things, we are pronouncing those words in this particular format. That means in English alphabets we find there are 26 letters are there that you all know from A to Z, and we are pronouncing them in the different way. Okay, and when we are getting the different words, when we are getting the different type of words in front of us, those the different pattern of words that we find. Okay, so each of this particular pattern of word what we make it that we are talking it, we are pronouncing them, we are spelling them, and the word does not always matches with the pronunciations and the punctuations that we are using. So pronunciations that what we are writing, we find it that we our pronunciation sometimes doesn't match with that, isn't it? Like pneumonia. Pneumonia, how we are writing PH, okay, but we are pronouncing it as pneumonia. So this is what we can find it, that there are the different type of pronunciation and different way of pronunciation that we find that we can execute and we can work on it. Okay, so this is the particular level, this is the particular part where we find it that the words what are there, the words what we are talking with, we are making them in a different way of pronounce matter. Okay, so we are pronouncing them in a different form and in the different way. So here you see it like cat, apple, black, back, all these things what you have pronouncing a letter A. In Hindi also A. Car, fast, park, A. Okay, car, fast, park. So in Hindi then call, ball, show, O. Okay, call, O, occur. So call, ball, shall. So show. So all these things what you find it that we if you pay attention very much, you can find it that there are the various different pattern of the things, different pattern of way that we are pronouncing them. Okay, so as we are pronouncing them, we are making this particular thing what, so that we can understand it and we can work on it. Okay, so this is what we can find, that different words are there and those the different word they has a different way of pronunciations. So type of sound, what we find that when we have a letter of alphabets are not enough exactly to match with the different sounds. That means we may have a different letter and words. There we find that that is not exactly going to match with those different pattern of sounds what we are speaking. So let us look closer about the matter, that in English basically how we are making three basic sounds and how we are working on it. Okay, how we are making those basic sounds and how we are working on it. See here, first the vowels. So what is vowel? Vowel means in English alphabets we find it there are 5 vowels. What is this? A, E, I, O, U. You all know it very nicely. But 12 vowel sounds. Okay, this means most of the vowels can be pronounced in a different way. Okay, so when we are making those things, when we are pronouncing those things in a different way, we find it, we read the vowels in a different word in different way. So combining combination sounds of 2 vowel. Okay, how we make the diphthong of the sounds that combine the 2 vowels, that start with one vowel, sounds go to the another vowel. And consonant means what? Consonant means the sound where we find the sound that is neither the vowel nor the diphthong of the sound. So this is what for example, now let us see the vowel like bit. So pronouncing, when we pronounce bit, B-I-T, I, the particular way I is by the vowel sound. So in Hindi bit, ba, rasi and ta. So when we are doing this, we say bit. Aloud you sound the vowel sound, how you are saying this particular thing, we are using this. Okay, so there we find it that we are using a different pattern of vowels and we are making those vowels what? To be implicable in the different way. Okay, so those the vowels are there, they are implemented and they are being worked on a different manner in a different way. Clear? So in this particular thing what you can find the example of like house. So house aloud we sound saying that this is what? O and U, house. Okay, see here in Hindi it has written ha, akar, u or sa. So when we are making this thing in Hindi, we can find it, this particular thing are being worked with. We are working with this particular manner. Okay, now we find it the example that we say the consonant. Consonant sound, say the P and T, pot. Okay, P and T. So when we are making them, when we are finding it, we find it that those the different pattern of vowels, the consonants, as we are using the combinations of the two vowels that we are using, we find it that we are changing them, we are making a change, and we are finding these are being assigned, these are being pronounced in the different pattern of punctuations that we are using. Okay, so we are listening, we are saying those words, repeating the words, we are hearing those words. So as we are repeating the words, as we are hearing those words, what we find it that each and every word what is there, they are being repeated in this particular manner. Okay, so since they are being repeated in this particular manner, there are the different way of pronunciations. There are the different way of doing this particular structure and working with this particular structure. Okay, so as we find it, as we see it, that when we are making those things, when we are making the different pattern of words, when we are working with a different pattern of words, what we say is that we are concentrating on those different type of sounds what are available for us. Okay, so different type of sounds that are available for us, based on those different type of sounds, we are making our vocabulary, we are making the words. Okay, so this is how we can find, this is how we can make it up, when we can frame the thing. Okay, so as we are making this, as we are framing this, we find it that each of this particular section, each of this particular part of the combinations of the different type of words what are there, different patterns of words what are there. So all these different pattern of words that we are making it out, we are doing the particular thing, we find it, it will going to be implemented in this way. Okay, so there are these different pattern of implementation that we do, and we work on it, we find it that how the particular word can be used. That is a very important thing. Like I am talking about here about the vowel, about the consonant, about the combinations of the vowels, isn't it? The different postures and gestures of talking, even if I have said some of the, given some of the example in Hindi also. So there what we are seeing actually, what we are finding actually, we are seeing here actually the thing that we are using, isn't it? So how we are pronouncing them, what is the way that the thing is being sounded. Okay, how we make the sound of those different patterns of words that we find around us, what are the different way that we can use the sound, how we are assisting the different punctuations or different pronunciations. Okay, so we listen them very carefully. Okay, we repeat them, we find it, we hear them. So all this thing what we find, all this part what we find, that each of this particular section that we are using, we are repeating, we find it that we do the particular work and we complete the particular work in such a way so that we can make it what, viable for everyone. Okay, understandable for everyone. So here you can see some of the sound I have given here with some English and Hindi. Long E, SLEEP, sleep. Dirghi, Hersey, U, Chota U, Bada U, isn't it? So all these things what we found, you found then near, EA, NEAR, near, okay, then here, then late, 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 okay, cake, acre, then game, goy acre, game, then we can sound this thing, particular thing like ochre, boat, O, lone, isn't it? Most. So there akar and chotao. So mouth, you, cow. See this one, cloud, kla, oo. You are pronouncing this akar and o means oo. That we are pronouncing this oo. So these are the different way we can find that those are the different letters are used and vowels are been pronounced and we can use them. Okay, so this is how you can do the particular thing and you can use it. Like here you can find the consonant pain. Okay, report, report, po, occur. Then stop, pa, ta, train, isn't it? Story, store, isn't it? Put, ta, book, ka, cold, koa. Okay, music, isn't it? See, ka, music, ka. So that what look, la, isn't it? So where we are concentrating and what we are doing with this different type of consonant that we are using. So thank you all of you. Today I am ending my session here. Thank you all.